Hi everyone, my name is Sheila Maypi Andupa. Trends and issues. Trends. Trends in ICT, information and communication technology, refer to the current and emerging development and change with the field of technologies that impact how we communicate, assist, and process information and interact with the digital world. Number 1. Converging. This refers to the emerging of different technologies and platforms. Number 2. Social media. Social media platform continues to be a dominant force in ICT, with users creating a searching content, connecting with others. Number 3. Mobile technologies. The widespread adoption of smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices has revolutionized how we access information and service on the go. Number 4. Online learning. The rise of online education and learning platforms has transformed the way people learn and acquire new skills. Number 5. Artificial intelligence, AI and machine learning (ML). AI and ML are intelligent systems being integrated into various ICT applications, from personal assistance to fraud detection systems.
Hi everyone, my name is Irish Albuena. Trends and issue in ICT. Issue. Issue reflect to the challenge, problem, and concern that arise from the use and data development of ICT. Number 1. Cybersecurity. Protecting system and data from cyber attack like hacking, malware, and data breaches is a major concern. Number 2. Data privacy. Ensuring confidentiality and security of personal data collected and stored by ICT system is crucial. Number 3. Cyberbullying and online harassment. The speed of online harassment and cyberbullying can negatively impact mental health and well-being. Number 4. Internet freedom and censorship, balancing and need for free expression, which the need to regulate harmful content online is complex issue. Number 5. Data protection and surveillance. Regulations are needed to protect personal data and prevent excessive surveillance by government or corporations.